Hello guys, good evening. Today I will be showing you how you can set up payment links for your digital courses and you collect the money in your local currency irrespective of the country that you are, be it in Cameroon, Nigeria, Ghana, USA, UK, or any part of the world. You can use what I'm about to show you to set up payment links. Okay, follow me closely. So we go to our browser. I use Chrome, so you can go to any browser that you use. We'll search Seller. Yeah, when we search Seller, a couple of sellers will appear. You see the first one here, the first one up here. That is not the one we are going to use. We see the second here, seller, and with the icon written seller on it, this is the right seller to use. So we are going to you can either click register, log in, or whatsoever. So let me just click register for the sake of this tutorial. Okay, sorry, it already came to my account. So when you click register, you're just going to register with your email and name. That is all, and it's going to open up. So this is customer profile. So I'm going to switch to creator profile. Yeah, so it's going to open up like this. As you can see, I already have two products. So what am I going to do is I click these three buttons on my right. I click it and I will add products. I'll click these products and add product. Okay, so it's going to ask you what kind of product do you want to add. Is it a digital product, physical product, ticket, subscription, and the rest? So we are going to choose digital product. We click next. All right, so this is the details where we can put the digital product. So we have to put the image. That is, if you have created a poster for your digital course, you click this and you add the image there. So I'm going to click this and I'm going to add this. So what is the name of your product? The next thing is you're going to name your product. I can name it the money course, the digital money course. All right, so what is the price? The price in my local currency is 25,000 francs. In dollar, I choose dollar in my local currency. In dollar is 100, oh sorry, $50. So this strike out original price. Like for instance, if the original price was first of all 70,000 or 50,000, it's going to show 50,000 and with a stroke on it. But if you don't want that strikeout price to come out, you just remove this small arrow. So this is where inside text here you add the product details. You add the product details, like this course is going to cover this, that, and you can add a link to external sites here as well. So the next thing is we're going to choose the category. So we're going to click this. What category are you creating? You just look through these categories and the kind of product that you're creating, and you choose the category of the digital product. So for me, I'm going to choose, it can be marketing and media, it can be content and media, it can be marketing and sales. So I'm going to choose marketing and sales. Subcategory, I can say sales and marketing funnels. So we're going to skip this multiple variants. Okay, upsells and cross sales. Going to skip that for now. Product type, of course, it's a digital product. Is it a pre-order product? Do people need to order it before you launch the course, or it is a product that is available already? So I'm not going to choose a pre-order product. So give a buyer access to a file. So if you choose this option, give buyer access to a file, means that you upload your course on Seller. Like you upload your course on Seller. But if not, you just click this Django button or this button and it's going to switch off. Then you click automatically redirect the buyer to an external URL after a purchase. So what I usually do here is I input my WhatsApp link. Yeah, so you can WhatsApp me. That is another strategy, not just to have people that will pay for your courses, but people that will pay for your courses and the people they can communicate with your team or they can communicate with you one on one, and you at least they'll have more confidence and you can easily get to them. So after it's done, we click on create product. After we're done, we click on create product. You see our product is live. Oh my god, so wonderful. Congratulations, your product has been added. So now how are you going to share the link to your product? Your link is here. This is the link. You click, you copy link text. Oh, okay, let's test it. Like let's say I want to buy. Let's test it. I'll click on this. So if you want anybody to buy a course, you just need to copy this link and you go and use it wherever. So let's test it. Okay, you see This is what I added. You see, every detail is on the course. Okay, you see, it's showing the amount here. It's showing buy now. Oh my God, so beautiful. Very easy. Very easy. Okay, so it has choose two courses here. So I'm going to remove one. Yeah, and I'm going to check out. Input my information. You're going to input your information or your client that wants to buy and click pay now. Very easy. This is done. The person, if you're in Cameroon, is done with your mobile money. Elsewhere, they can pay with card or they can pay directly to your bank account. So it's very beautiful. Very beautiful. Okay. So we can change this French to English. Okay. So you see select country. Since I already choose Cameroon, excuse me, choose network. Of course, MTN. I'm going to choose my number 6760 23 329. So I'm going to click pay 25,000. Like is the amount of my course for my course. Oh my God, it's going to appear on my phone. Low balance. Okay, of course, my mobile money does not have up to that amount, but this is simply how you can do this. Thank you so much for watching.